Okay guys, come back with me Jeremy di channel Synnex Metro Data Technical ya, which is di channelnya Synnex Metro Data Indonesia di sesi technical. Kali ini aku mau kasih lihat bagaimana salah satu produk baru aku basic setup, tapi ini aku hanya satu video, maksudnya video ini berlaku aku bikin satu kali, tapi berlaku mostly akan hampir ke semua barang dari brand ini ya, jadi nggak akan ada tipe yang lain-lain. Aku hanya bikin satu video ya. Jadi aku akan coba namanya barang Teltonika. Nah, buat yang belum tahu Teltonika, aku ada videonya di channel aku juga di sini. Silahkan dilihat dulu barangnya seperti apa. Bentuknya router for IoT ya. Jadi peralatan router portable ya, buat peralatan-peralatan IoT. Nah, di sini aku sudah connect lewat WiFi-nya ya, lewat WiFi-nya dia namanya RUT 955. Aku pakai yang 955 ya. Nah, untuk serinya nanti bisa dilihat di video saya yang lain, tapi ini berlaku untuk basic setup pertama kali untuk all products. Jadi in this video I will show you how to set up basic in the first time, atau if you have a first setup for RUT from Teltonika, all the range product types using this first setup ya. Jadi jangan nanya lagi, Pak yang ini gimana, Pak yang itu nggak, yang ya, just follow this step. It's all the same for all types, okay, for all product ranges, okay. But I will show you just only an RUT 955. It will be same for RUT 950, RUT 240, and so on. Okay. The default IP address is 192.168.1.1. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This is the basic GUI setup for Teltonika. Please enter your username and password. Username is admin and password is admin01. Yeah, there is a label in the box. You can see at my previous video or another video if I RUT 955 on the box. There is a username and password on the label. Yeah, you can see on there. And login. Okay. And in the first time we must absolutely change your password. Yeah, we must change the password. Yeah, you must change the password to leave this page. Password requirement minimum 8 characters, at least one uppercase. Yeah, one uppercase letter, one lowercase, and one number. Okay, let me using my password. You can use Teltonika 1 with the T caps at the first letter. Okay, and then save. Okay, in the first step we have a 5-step wizard. This is the NTP. Yeah, if you want to sync your NTP with your geographical or your region, yeah, you just see the UTC. I think I'm Indonesia. I'm using Asia and then in Jakarta. Okay, and then next we go to step 2. There is a mobile, and at some types there is a mobile SIM card. Yeah, especially in RUT 950 and RUT 955. Yeah, like my device now. Yeah, there's a SIM card, a dual SIM card you can use. So if you want to set up this mobile, you can use the auto APN, and then fill the pin number and then go to the next. If you don't have the mobile, yeah, you can go to the step 3. If you want to see the same subnet for LAN, yeah, local area network, you can use this one, or you want to change into another one. Let's say you want to 10.10.0. 1. Okay, start from 100. Okay, let's say limit from 150, or you want to from 200 until 200. List time I change into 6 hours, just only 6 hours. Yeah. Okay, you can see in here. Okay, we go through the step. Okay, it's out of LAN. Okay, let's say I just put it back in the 150 lah. Okay, and the subnet net mask is same. Okay, we go to next. Please wait. The step 4 is you want to step for your Wi-Fi. If you want, this device has embedded Wi-Fi, yes. Okay, you can use it as a Wi-Fi. Okay. Let's wait for a moment. Okay, it will change because I changed the gateway. I will restart it. Okay, it changed, yeah, from 190 to 168.1.1. I changed into 10.10.0.1, yeah, and I log in again. Okay, for the new password, let me change. Okay, you can see in here it's all done. Yeah, it's all done. If you want to go back to the system or network, or you want to setup wizard back to the network, you can go to the system and back to setup wizard again. Okay, let me set up back to setup wizard first for your guidance. Yeah, we have the Wi-Fi step 4. Yeah, you can see in here you can change your SSID name. Okay, there is a mode. Yeah, you can change the mode. Yeah, or you want to change to auto, you can change the channel. Yeah, the encryption. Yeah, and the cipher and the key. Yeah, country code you want to change, I change into Indonesia ID, and I go next. At the default, the Wi-Fi already enabled. Yeah, so at the default you can config first time using the SSID. Okay, change again because okay. Yes, I think you can skip the wizard for now. Yeah, it's the overview. You can see the status is overview. You want to see the system, the network, the device, the services, routes, grabs, and mobile traffic, even log. You can see in here. This is a dashboard from your Teltonika. You can see there is no mobile. Yeah, there is no mobile. Yeah, not in use. Yeah. Okay, there is. You can see the RAM in here, and the flash, and the firmware version. Okay, in here the wireless. Yeah, you set the wireless using the channel 6, and then you see you can see my WAN. Yeah, I can see put my WAN into this IP because it's behind the router, my router. Yeah, if you want to see all the graphics, you can see all the interface in here. Okay, let me show you the system first. Okay, this is the system first. Yeah, you can see in here. Okay, and then there is network. Okay, this is network. There is a mobile, WAN, and LAN. Yeah, wireless, Open VPN, VRP, topology. Yes, you can see the topology in here. Yeah, you can see there is my internet, and this is my Google DNS. This is my my cable to the router. Sorry, I mean the router from my provider, and straight through the using through the firewall into the Teltonika RUT 955 LTE. Yeah, and this is my PC. Okay, it's all the same. Yeah, okay, you can see this is for access. Yeah, you can see all the collecting data, all the device that you want to access. There's services SSH, HTTP, HTTPS in here using port 22, 80, and 443. It's all enabled. Okay, and the WireGuard. Okay, there's no WireGuard in configuration yet. Okay, if you want to see the device, you can see in here the device information. Yeah, I think it's all the same with the system, and you want to disable or enable or all the services that you want, like IPsec. You can change setting in here. Yeah, you want to change the setting. Yeah, IPsec in here, or you want to ping reboot. Yeah, you can see in here. You can change from edit, and you can enable. Yeah, and save again. Okay, or you want to periodic reboot, like your maintenance once a week, once a month, or once in 3 months. Yes, you can do it. The configuration is rewrite in this folder because this is a line of space. Yeah, let wait this process first. Okay, this is a reboot interval 5 minutes. Yeah, if you want. Just if you don't want to reboot, ping reboot, you can disable again. I think for now, I think disable first these services. Okay, next go to the routes. Yeah, this is the routes that you want to static route or dynamic route. You can look back. Yeah, there's all the active IP routes and ARP in here. Yeah, this is the graphs. You can see all the signal from your mobile device or your SIM card, from the load, from your load the RUT, and you see in here there is a load. Let's say I open my youtube.com, something like this, and the traffic will be something using. Yeah, and 1 minute load, it will be picked, I think. Okay, and that's the traffic. Yeah, you can see the traffic. Yeah, from the LAN, from the WAN, when wired, Wi-Fi or mobile, each of them. Yeah, this is for wireless. Yeah, you can see all the wireless signal. Yeah, signal power. Yeah, and the connection. Okay, and this is the event log. If you change something, yeah, there's a event log in here, all events. Okay, and there is a network for the mobile, WAN, LAN, VLAN, wireless, firewall, routing, load balancing. Yeah, you can see all this feature in here is so much. It's completed for you to enable anything. Yeah. Okay. If you want to upgrade firmware, it's from here. You can go to system and firmware. Yeah, if you have if you direct connect to the internet like this, you can upgrade from server. Yeah, like this, and upgrade. This is the firmware version, the current firmware version that I use. Yeah, if there is a new, we can check it. Okay, firmware available on server. Oh, sorry, this is the current, and this is the, if you see there is a different, this is the .4 and this is .5. Yes, you can upgrade it. Yeah, and it's the process is on. Yeah, you can change until 100%, and it will be rebooted. Yeah, reboot again. Done. Yeah, verification succeeded. You can go to upgrade. Yeah, the file is too small, around 12 megabytes. Yeah, the system is upgrading now. You can wait until 100%. Okay, it's already 56% done. Okay, it's already 88%. Okay, I will show you in this video how to upgrade your firmware. Yeah, it will be, if you directly connect to the internet, you can go. It's easily you can click upgrade and wait the progress until done. Okay, it will be login again. Yeah, it will be rebooted. Just wait a minute. Okay, it already booted again. Okay, see, yeah, we login again. Okay, you see all the firmware now in .5 in current. Yeah, no update available now. Okay, so it's all same, yeah, for your all the types from the Teltonika, how to first set up and then how to upgrade firmware and then you go to the setup wizard. It's all same. Jadi intinya semua sama aja untuk all type, cuman perbedaannya paling ada di video saya sebelumnya, fitur-fiturnya. Jadi sekitar seperti RUT 950 there is no GPS. If you want to have a GPS, you can use RUT 955 and RUT 240, just only one SIM card, and RUT 950 and 55 have two SIM cards. Okay, I think there's a different, just only the different from the hardware peripheral. I think now, okay, itu aja dari sekarang. I think from me it's now enough for now ya. I'm Jeremy and ciao.